There's something fascinating about Olympic gold medals that most people don't know. Despite being symbols of excellence and triumph, these medals have a dark side. Every 4 years, tons of gold is extracted from the earth, refined and crafted into medals that are then given to the world's best athletes. But where does all this gold come from? Well, today we're going to take you on a journey from raw ore to the coveted Olympic gold medal. Welcome to our channel, your place for everything business and finance. In today's video, we will be answering the question, how are Olympic gold medals made? If that sounds interesting, stay with us till the end. The Olympic gold medal has been a symbol of excellence and hard work since 1896, when the first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece. Since then, the gold medal has gone through several design changes, but one thing has remained constant: its composition. An Olympic gold medal is typically made of around 92.5% gold and 7.5% other metals such as silver and copper. The gold used in the medals is generally of very high quality, bound 24 carats, which is the highest possible grade for gold. But before the gold can be used to make medals, it has to go through a long and complicated process of extraction, refining, and this process is typically carried out by a specialized mint or refinery that is contracted by the International Olympic Committee, the organizing committee of the Olympics, or the head of state of the host country. The gold used in Olympic medals comes from various sources, including gold mines around the world. Once the gold is extracted from the mine, it is transported to a refinery where it is processed and refined to remove any impurities. The gold is then melted down and cast into bars or other shapes that can be easily transported and stored. These bars are typically 400 troy ounces or 28 pounds each and are stamped with the official hallmark of the London Bullion Market Association. After the gold is refined, it is shipped to the mint where the actual production of the metals begins. At the mint, the gold is weighed and then melted down into small pieces that can be easily handled by machines. The molten gold is then poured into molds to create the basic shape of the metal. Once the gold has cooled and solidified, the excess material is trimmed off and the metals are removed from the mold. At this point, the metals are not yet finished. They need to be engraved and polished to achieve the final look. The metals are placed in a lathe and the outer surface is turned and polished until it is smooth and shiny. The design and lettering are then engraved onto the metals using a special engraving machine. Finally, the metals are plated with a thin layer of silver and copper to achieve the desired color and look. The entire process of making an Olympic gold medal can take several months, from the time the gold is extracted from the mine to when it is finished and ready to be shipped to the Olympic Games. The metals are typically shipped in sealed containers to ensure their security and preservation. It's not just the gold medal that goes through this rigorous process. Silver and bronze medals also undergo similar procedures, though the metals used are, of course, different. Now let's answer some frequently asked questions. What is the weight of the Olympic gold medal? An Olympic gold medal typically weighs around 400 troy ounces, or 28 pounds. What is the diameter of an Olympic gold medal? The diameter of an Olympic gold medal is 40 millimeters. Who made the Olympic gold medals? The gold medals for the Olympic Games are typically made by a specialized mint or refinery that is contracted by the International Olympic Committee, or the organizing committee of the Olympics. Where does the gold for the Olympic medals come from? The gold used in the Olympic medals comes from various sources, including gold mines around the world. How much gold is used in the Olympic medals? The amount of gold used in the Olympic medals varies depending on the number of medals being awarded. However, it is estimated that around 35 kilograms or 77 pounds of gold is used in the medals for each Olympic Games. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating process of how Olympic gold medals are made. From the mines of South Africa to the hands of the world's best athletes, these medals are a true testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest content. See you next time.